Who be this? Hey, Dr. Panieni. Na no.
Ohano man, ye beko ko wan se mbacho sister. Someone named sister. And na apie ni dear, to be honest. Mbacho mo hebio. Se wonu an night and straw.
He said they say an yanya a tour political party ewo Ghana ne de beto fom bia ewo ho bia no ye de ba be somo na abusu en da mre ka say de say ye ba eye eto nkese ho party nsensem ya ba beto media isu a John Dramani Mahama akwakoma appointment abusu ho aba asem no fake doctor any fake body ni nyina eye trouble man Carlos ono so aba be di nkomo saa so na eye Ohene ba David ono so oba be kan asem na o hwe sesi ano pictures any old pictures are aba any sesi current picture yesa akana abusuan me who said this lady wa fraud John Dramani Mahama papa because she body ya sesi ano yehu any the old body ya wo ho na otumi who say niema cause pa ye fraud papers na ye sanso fraud body na wo hwe body we na wo hwe utimi who say abusuan insem Ghana paw na trouble man Carlos oba be di nkomo a ono nso o kire ni nsemu ewo ho abuzua utimi wusese no obia ani abre because say me ani ambre a anhwe be fake Ghana yes yet when you fake Ghana abuzua ha GH kwa bi media so mesa so oba so a na wa subscribe to your channel say ni update bia so etomo a onso onsa ebeke edia abuzua say de ekoso ya TTP sesi ano tumu political party sesi ano aba Ghana no yes eno ene yedi ehon koma abusua ye no ashi platform ye so nti abusua ma ye nkohwe de etwagu ewo trouble man Carlos or so the autoja efa eto kese we ho no yes ye de ababeje ade wo Ghana no yes ye nkotie de trouble man Carlos or so okay.
Hey, Dr. Panieni. Hey. Na no. She asa mabawa. Hey. Akom ne nkyeremu. Enti no dia mememfi koye ne tu sister yanka enimonyam kakra bebam. Eno so kra de a just ka asem no kra say asem no. Ezo hwe ne hips asa ne hips ba kra che so hwe na. Ono pa na mehu se nipa ne hips a ne mfe. Hey. O katachi so de wodi ne ma. Tam na no nya adabi. So I also say segu. That no nya nya ne to. That na no katachi atwi no. Into okoye no okoye maintenance no e no de koma me Venice kitchen blogger. Hey Charlie oh amanfo di niema into when rakati asamaba Kelvin Taylor ne girl na o wono no afa de Kelvin asaso aba out ese aba be defend girl ni biem. Samo hwe before no ono ankasa be kan ye say girl no de wonye doctor ewo Ghana na girl ni nyina ba bia nkan ye ewo abreso no akoko gina TV so say ono de wo hwe nipa into no pa obo behwew Kelvin by ebe kire ma ye hunu say the girl no wo ye doctor ewo America batanye Ghana afa ye che no wo America so a Kelvin asaba biem say ne yire no de meboa ne sai check na de why a doctor now a native doctor ewa America. And a time I want to me any native doctor and a trendy. Now so Oko Kelvin a pages were we are so busy talking about MP before. But no chrono samno and a crime now why you Ghana no and not the one come wasam. And also when him said the Ohene and the side chicken about a big crime. Senka Ghana nke kano krepa nka de ge na ye na ehun ada ho cleanse no agacha ma wuntu mi charges na de ama no krankisa. What me about bu a whole country a break into Ghana system. Claim say o ye doctor e wa America afa ye chiwa uso ye native doctor from kitchen doctor to native doctor. Ready? Oh, ba we say go side chicken ye to be jawe who be di a map papa be at TikTok. Monkey play by sizes, the size I know.
Ohano man.
After say trouble man Carlos can't nsem ewie ye no. Ohene ba David ono so the allegation be so abusua ultimi hu se se na obia ani abre na yentie de Ohene ba David ono so all the todwa this side emra.
Ne ye bekwa ko wan se mbacho sister yi. Someone name sister yi. And now appear dear to be honest. Na abaye pa ya hwe ne form afede na de ba ya ba cho mo hebio se wunua 9 and straw abaya no Kevin Taylor yire no se ne 9 and straw enti fake for the adults mo hwe wodi na yi ne ba be si ono akona chi mo hwe wo ba be twitwa video ai wo be twa video kwabena tutu sisen kwabena tutu osede ya mo nwie masem no Mmoa, hwene nan. Enti saa form na ne ehu ni nyina no. Say ya say. Ye won talie bi trouser bi o wa ye trouser. Wo sha menim se ye hu. Menim se ya yen fum ahyehye mu. Etimi ma wo form. Tio ye won talie ni bi wo ha wo ya. Ye se etimi ma wo form. Hey. Enti me koye na me koko hu abaye ni new video aba hwe 9 page na ho na re sister e form e wo so re enti hwe na to hwe say yrom enti say video na e free na no nyina ye hwe no ame fa nkwa where they gift yourself apprentice and gift yourself gift one was an apprentice no mama me nkwa na me nkwa nkwa enti wo hwe form ye gina ho abusuafo mo ka no kre sentia Aviation. Yeah. Another penny. You know that one there, no. Oh. This guy will fake you. Gay will fake you. I buy any animal was there. When you was you. Entia enti wo hwe yonko nan na wo hwe na basa ambasa idie enya moto oni wo basa idie amfata woto sister I kwabra tutu o say you dare not put your country flag on your door swati enti menimo Ghana de ewu mo hwe abaye for modijina o me woni na other video bi o ha say yanko so rantentem na me konkowe no mo bo so gina ho enti ai mo he am so obeyi na ayi na na obeyi we na gua o da bi gan we fake because o hwe se na taso adrodro no hwe won putu se na ya fia but wa pack niema wa pack bibi gan wa hihye bibi ena emam ni nyemo ha munim se wa ade bi won aye rodo etise honam pepepe ema no ai no mo ton wo TikTok pa ubetumi ahye wo hye obi de ne safa school obeka se eye nipa honam minim se ne mo frɛ no intimi ya sure se no bi na gay bi ko hwe ne nsa pa ma hwe ne nsa na wo han fia na wo hwe eto yi di anya no kure ye wadada nkrofo wonim se ya so wo su bempa mu nyina di Owusu bempa mu nyina di no afia so asini Ghana kan o pa ne chew because na afia so asini ga se we ne pese ojan no no o pa ne chew din nti ha se mo hwe o yi nyina no twetwe na ni o na o hwe ne trouser hwe no obeyi na tade no o hwe ne nan ye na mwe na o hwe ense ya ye samankwa nkohu abaya video ya menim hwe ne nantu ya yekutu mbato mo hwe ade won se ne nantu ya yekutu menim ade a ode ahye ho hey intige ye fake za mo di ni sa mo hebi abusanfo mo hebi watem ba mo chewo ai wo hwe na ni ma we die wa back ni ma yana nantu yana tu because na ye si from this straw ye wadi nsago wadi ade bia de nsago no wadi obi a wadi ade bia wadi nsago wadi ntomago emma munya na ada yo na nuabo bebem me say abaye bi aye say we grandma catch them down Kumasi na abaye bi na me koye na ibe me fio ma no just say what in clan no be Kumasi dia opeso o kire o yinimnya sakra Kumasi for wo me den clan to omo je mo wa say ya no mo dua mo sa without clan Kumasi for say nisi bu clan no na abaye isa acho me kofio na mo na say na wa say chere no say krokro abi o wa na say hi Chiara, good afternoon. No, showing see, no, we say guy near fan boy. Wow, now say now, I said me who in Temura. Yes, and near I'm even patcho, me think client, near I'm back as Samis one more. I say, hey, Miss Metia. I met here into Wadaroma. Ufili saying, was you, maybe not begamin and a cacao line. Ya kekana ni woman e check akra sister brothers mesuma huna mani yo mahuna mani enema mani we se mani da so tia se ehu ade yo nyame ebusuafo flow mo Mavis Boatima kwabena tutu mani we niema ehu Milan Lion what is saying which ba ene mama ni we gay mayama ni efiri fie ba me fie mba cha o nante amfa se 2 minutes wa wura me dem oni a yeso ye ni we am make answer me intro allergic ko kuma say emeduma minuanom abaye bai ma bona se me sha se me no kaza se 46 minutes ni abaye mbe so obewro no mesumisi se me ma na free fie pa akode me free me dem wa akode lalai okwa ne onsi obi satam so se wa awuni be ma ye wad we na kirikiri na me hono eyi catis bi wa eyi hosa na wose o eyi o de sen wo de mame ame mo sana wa sha eyi o de sen anda wa attention bi anda wa na wura ensi wo eyi fom sheto no fom sheto ne sa wo sha anda wa attention me de nya na me pawe ana wakoshe ona ngunu wase na metawo na mikoyi tawo white na metofa chiro de mano na washe curtains na chiwo za me wanse ni wa piaba nya enye mimi na wase wini abre kan ho besne kan ho ko putu amba nso na meba wena eja asuafo besne ko Jerusalem wieye me fane niema amana waso okwohoro no ansa no apia ko me fane niema aguyi amana babi odi ahye no nya kwa ankamanko yi oba na yidi ababe gu amana na yidi agu pete mama na wa ba bra be hye me yenwe na nipa na wuhu na wonam ho no wonya yi no ho no eto na se yuram ma boka urade wana mo okirikiri wana muazere to say hwi ne sira na ne tu nyina etise ne tu ni an ne sira ni ebom straight za anga so benya na o de mfa na ada ne mami hu sesa na wo de ne tie enya hwi ubenya ne ono so pe eto a ne wo nice mi na yepe ento mo fiti dada ni panye ne o enya no girls ni fiti dada ni panye ne na man minima de wo mo ani ntete Moses ano ya ni anga se wakọ ne ye de yi bia to obi ani so no to no yesi o yesi sa krom na beto black to we say no so we ni black no so ai na akoto so mani we ya bui wo ba ko na ni pato ni ya dwira ne ha se dwiri obi tumi hu mani eji Ohene wani echi nwi de na ye ma ye wani echi bi ne da ya ba ja ai wa nya oni David na mnya ai wani echi na akate awi ni nyina na ba mana ke yenya wasi egu anu mi bi dia na ke yenya wanu bi na ke yenya tri wo tri nye na we just mo bi bia nso mo ni na ba mana oto doso za na ai are na bema na wansama na oh ubakona yonkoto mu owure na so mu otu na so afiri wo otu ni ebenya ena ma wo gift ho ahwan nese hey abrofu ibagana no mo ba be fama wo mo sia sei ko abrofu ya mu so ya mu wu o mu yasi o mo nya ye die bi enso mo di o mo ti se kikiki menim ne mo pe Ghana ni ti ho onhye jot onya hwe na ni nyi ne se ho broni atimi awewe ne ma hodo kofi ni mu ade ne sia ye sei ko eno de oba no mu de mikadi na chi enne Ghana fo empe wo mo anka so ma de well yankoi nti wei the fake unua ba na yakwa akohu no ne current photo a yensa aka ne de yakọ ya mpacho unua ba na se wa wen wa fwa ne night is straw mbacho mo ne nine unua ba ni ne night is straw enti e katra se doctor ya wo he ya ne form ne ni sire se ni nyina wo packaging ni nyina ya packaging unua nine de bibia packaging eni ya che no oni bibia ka ese oni bibia ye oni na okatachie kwa me free fan anura oba na ne ode asembi aba betu ye nim se ababa wa no sei ni na eden akoso nti mbacho meko na makọ akọbọ kakra de eden e de ama montem aso na ye nkoi nti ne ha
where we reward people. Well, so for the work he did, started this onslaught on this lady a few days ago. Why were you concerned about the process? Well, as usual, good evening to you. Yeah.
And for the sake of men and animal, enemy ma menoma, nyina ye tell so ansa na atebro no kakra. Yes, ye ntebro to say Mmoa pepepe. Nti enura okokopiem ewo odesen ye frɛ ho sen kra. Metro TV ho na po adom dwendwenjie otwen ono so ye adwuma ena ono ne kotena ase ena okatachi sign mad revelations bi enti sese ye di asem na chi na omo ka asem bi eno na mepese moso montie kakra enti tawaso yina yenkoti omo nkomodie no
watching us from Pioneer and I can tell Facebook is buzzing. It is right. So first of all, this is a national duty, nothing short of that. It is nothing personal. It is not to get at anyone. But it is a way of serving my country, where I believe so strongly if something is not going on well, I should be a good citizen and speak up, for which I am doing now. So you were asking questions about why Council of State was supposed to do diligence on this matter, but this thing could slip through. I call it a Kemitela effect.
What is Kemitela effect?
No. So for what you don't know, that position is more or less like a reserved position for Kevin Taylor, for him, which he was supposed to put somebody that he trusts, and this is the person that he puts there. So it was a report.
Is he Kevin Taylor connected to health?
Yeah, no. But of course, you know this country where we reward people.
Well, so for the work he did,
for what he did, yes. So that is his
to one board membership.
I wasn't so sure of which position they were going to give him, but I had the information that the government was going to give Kevin Taylor a position, but because he has a warrant on him and he cannot be present, then he came in. You know, he's been in the country twice since then. He's wanted.
I know once.
Yeah, he's been.
And he has said, "No, but your mama and me for what I say." Sa abaya ne position na Mahama appointed no. Na Kevin Taylor ye bibia man because Kevin akasa ama yen. Ya man isika de be enye enough. See a more appointment. That's what they have been doing. I'm talking about MPP and NDC. Into a person what say sa position ya de ma abaya ni Kevin Taylor na de ma no na oni abaya we no bibi ye. And na Kevin suggest say ne mo de ma me no me de me ni pe ba because they say me kra me back Ghana no mu say me yi mani ma me stand trial because nsem eda ho. Enti saa de a momma abaya we nyina menam nti Kevin de ne koi se onkoye adwuma woni dim
He's come again.
Yeah, he's come again. And
He was protected again.
He was protected again. And there was a meeting that was held at a place called Mmoa, Italy. Which came... Yes. There is a white...
Were you there?
You know this, we pick information, and this is very authentic information. You can de-associate yourself.
Oh, no, don't worry.
I am saying.
People meeting is not
so there was a meeting held where Kevin Taylor told a certain leadership of the NDC that this is unknown power of attorney. He gives it to this woman in case they want to give him an appointment. This woman should represent him. That is how come they put her on the board. So no due diligence was done because it was Kevin Taylor's appointment. And I'm sure you can tell from the way almost everybody in this government is as though nothing works unless Kevin Taylor says it. The president is even taking actions because Kevin Taylor is backing about it. So when it comes to issues of Kevin Taylor and its association, which as we delve into it, I'll show you. There is a criminal syndicate that has been built by this group to the extent that they blackmail people in high places. That you cannot even do what ordinarily you're supposed to do when you're going to appoint somebody like this.
No, I don't get it. Blackmail.
Yeah, blackmail.
That's serious.
Which certainly are Kevin Taylor and this lady and quite a few other people.
Why do the people what do they do to be blackmailed? Why do they get themselves
So this lady gets closer to people in high places.
How does she do that?
Of course, the same way he could manage her way to come and sit on GH1. To think that your brother Bulari could fall for her tricks and all that. Of course, you should know the girl has some level of IQ. And I have been with this girl before. She's my friend. We've been friends for quite some time. She is a smart woman. That one you can't take it away from her. She is very smart, except that she uses her smartness for the wrong things. So this girl can swindle her way through and get to almost every corner in this country, high places. I saw you reading a text.
Yes,
which you said that...
It's not verified. So.
No, but I am telling you that it's a threat knowledge. People who were on the campaign trail of the NDC knows that whenever they were calling President Mahama's physician to come and take care of him, it was this lady they called.
And you, Mama, baby, I didn't come out, no, I can't achieve Sunday to me say, Abaya we, Abribia John Mahama, ye free one ma, woman share, John Mahama Pumudin 17. Ye be a friend, I'm an Abasha John Mahama Apumudin 17, ye fresh Abayuano Anna Sansadali, on your friend. Asama okay so oti Ghana oti TV station so Sawo John Mahama say nya no kra e wona on call for say nya no kra nya no answer more friend and it is so serious. Obi be man comment say hey Ghana for should be happy and praising the Lord say ye what president or that's what say abaya we and na ehwe president dia and now okatachi won evidence ayeso ye gina so ne aka bi say abaya no enanai ena nra me de ayi mfunyi eba be kire mo mame mohwi nkwa enra me de ayi bi baba be tro so kire mo ye kan ho asem nra sei enetie abaya no kokoposi ewo x mba cha kan bi enie ana sansa dali hwesoro ho ono ne photo na da soro ha no na mo hwe ni din no ana sansa dali okoposti ewo x a connected ye fro Twitter ana Twitter Nana Sema Okaya say, congratulations to President-elect of Ghana. Congratulations to President-elect of Ghana, Dr. John Dramani Mahama, on this well-deserved victory. I'll say, it is. Let me read it from here because my Daniel Nimoisi. I'll say, on this well-deserved victory, it's been a great honor serving you. It is a great honor serving you as a personal physician, especially during the difficult times in opposition and throughout the very tough campaign. You did it. And you know, it's not just Busilimukan. Abaya na nkasa page. Na efrinra, ma try some shisha abaya no e Facebook. Anne Sansa Dali, Anne Sansa Dali. Ma men kwada mko Anne Sansa Dali. Me kwana makwa akohwe abaya na mpacha oba okatachie ho na eba. abaya na nkasa de any page where you know one free Facebook ne baby a oko ansa dali gane oko ye hu ne baby a open the page ya senka obeko Facebook na obehu no we delete no na nyese we delete no ho ayi keko we free social media gwa ona gane kro no enti eno na okatachi kan wansemo ha no girl no eye John Mahama personal physician na chere say e buy one mo monhwe mon check president hwe na brabom monhwe na pomuden ne ho odin campaign obetumi akoba bia John Mahama ko bia oko 3 days ya John Mahama waye adwuma from Accra to Kumasi oye campaign wonam form of ya na oko ha ne ade no president ho odin so obetumi ato aso from Kumasi to Sehwiana girl ne ka ho bi oye John Mahama personal physician na ohwe na brabom dabi ohunye me check here no ohwe mu ma ayemre enne ubenya low count sperm and say low sperm count to say wan ubenya hwan de ben ubenya pre ejaculation ubenya hwan nya asam ketwa entiene
I have also.
Well, I met President Mahama in UK with a doctor that I know. It wasn't her.
Well, but I'm saying that from a very reliable source. Oh, this lady was on the trail of the NDC all through the campaign. So somebody was telling me that no wonder at some point the president's face was looking.
She was on the campaign trail.
Yes.
And you okay that you say enya nwanwa obi kwa kan say it is on say John Mahama wo photo bi won na ni ho no e ma mekwa meka say akwa apetehye ne ayi no ne ayi na wonnom no ene Viagra na wo mo wiwi fa ma na ye nanim say ya na wono so yusu bia na ena ye ka tell say abaye o nchen bia hwan na betumi prescribe no papa de ama wo because anya doctor ni home care service and home care service.
She's a full NDC member.
Or just an NDC communicator.
As a doctor of the president, then in opposition, the presidential candidate.
Oh, that one I would disagree.
But you, let's go.
Because I met President Mahama and a doctor that I know. I'm not sure it was true.
I'm not sure you know all President Mahama.
No, I didn't see all of. I saw one person was exactly. But he's a very renowned doctor. His name starts with D.
The bottom line is that this girl managed to get herself into a higher place with Kelvin Taylor involved, and they were running a criminal syndicate. Which, as we progress, I'm going to show you. I have a lot of information on these people. Even the one that you saw just recently being released is the least among them.
The videos of
her swindling her way through pretending to be.
Mmoa monim no ose nyame adom Saturday obetena nti Saturday nyame adom ochena time or the program no menye mekwa akotena senam so makopem fo.
Abusia ho de etwa gu na fake doctor ho sensem ya any fake body ya. Say plastic body ya ye dia ba beji eye appointment e wo Ghana no yes eno ho sem na ye den etwagu eye Ohene David ono so ode ma ye no abusia ma me hu wadwe nkire e wo comment section o wie nso a ane die mu na wa subscribe to your channel no say ne update bia nso etomo a onso onsa ebe kabi keta wo se enye dodo onwura makra bye bye.